JetBlue Airways welcomes you to Boston, where the local time is 7:45 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and carry-on items stowed until we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. At that time, use caution when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Your checked bags can be claimed at carousel number 7. On behalf of everyone at JetBlue Airways, especially this Boston-based in-flight crew, would like to thank you for joining us today. We hope you have a pleasant rest of your week in Boston or wherever your travels take you.